Okay, so today we are learning how to work on a PowerPoint presentation. First, we will create a PowerPoint file. So, right click, then go to New, and from here, as you can see, there are various options. So, here it is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Just click on it. Here it is. Now, give it some name. So, I am giving it demo. Now, double click on it. So, this is Microsoft Office 2010. So here you can see slide. So either you click on this option or you can click on new slide option, arrow. So here we have different themes. This is title slide theme, in which we get two boxes. This is title and content section header. So right now we will go with this. So click on it. Here it is what we get. So now this is the first slide. So I will give it demo title. Here our title will come in here, then subtitle. I am just explaining how to work in PowerPoint presentation. It depends on you what you write in which text box. Like I have written here demo title, you can write your title name, and here you can write your name or anything like that. Now if you want to increase the size of this text box, you can increase it like this. Like this you can decrease, or you want to move it. Just go to this option on the boundaries, and the four sides arrow will come, then move it in any direction. You can even tilt this, like go here, and this option will display, and then rotate it like this. Okay, so let it be straight. Now this is demo subtitle. Now let us see how to decrease the size, how to change the styling of this text. So first select it like this. We can select. Now as you can see, the option is coming after selecting. Okay, like this. Just go to this option. Here we get a lot of options, like this is font color option. If you click on this arrow, we got a lot of colors. You can choose which you want. Okay, I would like to go with this color. Okay, now this is the indentation. Either you like to place your text in the left side, you can click here in middle or in right, like this. Now this is how to increase the font. Just click on this, it will increase, and it will decrease your font size. Now from here also you can select the font size like this. Just click on any, like I am clicking on 54. So like this option, it will bold, it will italic. Okay, so this is our first slide. If you want to add new slide, just go on this option again. Either click on this option or go to this option. Okay, if you click on this option, it will create slide like this. There is a text box. Here we can write our topic, and here we can write our text, or we can also add images by this option. Or we have here another option, insert. If we click on this option, we can add images from here. Okay, I will add some image in this slide. So first I would like to give some heading. So demo picture, click on here we can write, you can see this point is coming, just press backspace to remove it. So we can write any text also, hello everyone, this, or we can just add some picture. Okay, so either you can go in this option or you can go here, this picture option. So let's click on it. I am selecting this image. So here you can see image appears. Okay, so our next slide is ready. Okay, let's make a new slide. Click on here, or even you can see here a theme picture with caption. So we can select this slide also, just click on it. This is the theme which we have selected. Okay, if you want to remove this third slide, just go to it, do single press, then right click on it, then delete slide. Now click icon to add picture, click here, select another picture, click on it. So we have another picture here, hello car. So here it is. Okay, so this is some basic knowledge of making presentation. Okay, now give it some designing. Go to transit. Okay, first add some theme, go to design option, then select some theme. Okay, this is my favorite theme. Select this. It will be applied to all of the slides at the same time, as we can see here. It is applied automatically on every slide. So now add some transition. Go in transition. It is the effect while we change the slide. So let us give push transition to first slide, then press in second slide, give it wipe transition, then in third slide random bars like this, or we can change it to any like this. Okay, so here we have got some idea. Okay, let's change the color of this text. Just press here on it, then select it, then we can change color from here also, or go in home, and from here also we can change color, we can underline it, we can italic it. Okay, so I'm selecting its color, so that's better. This, from this we can change its indentation to bottom, or okay, so let's save this as Control plus S. It's saved. Now if you want to see our presentation in full view mode, just press F5. Here we can see. Now press next button, next arrow button. See, transition is happening. So this is end of slide. Thank you for watching the video.